By 2026, your AI assistant will be your boss. That sounds crazy, but it's where we're headed. We're not talking about Siri or Alexa anymore. The phrase AI assistant is about to sound incredibly outdated. The new reality is something called Agentic AI. These are systems that don't just help you, they reason, plan, and act on their own to complete entire workflows. Picture this. It's 8:59 a.m. A marketer opens their dashboard. Overnight, an AI agent has already designed a full marketing campaign, tested different versions, calculated the costs, and launched the best performing one. By the time the marketer has finished their first coffee, that same agent has already adjusted the ad spend based on real-time clicks and is writing the next batch of copy. This isn't science fiction. This is how marketing, logistics, and finance will run in 2026. Autonomous, adaptive, and always on. AI is evolving from a co-pilot that gives you suggestions to an autonomous agent that handles the entire process from start to finish. We're talking about a logistics agent that can reroute hundreds of shipments in minutes to avoid a storm, or a financial agent that adjusts your entire portfolio in real time to protect it from market volatility. The market for this kind of AI is projected to hit nearly $12 billion by 2026, and the return on investment is insane. A survey of CIOs found they expect an average return of 171% on their agentic AI investments. This is all part of what's being called Generative AI 2.0. The first wave was about experimenting, generating funny images or writing poems. The next wave is about enterprise-grade integration. We're moving beyond simple chatbots. These new systems are multimodal, meaning they can understand and combine text, images, code, and data. They're being fine-tuned with company-specific information and embedded into secure, auditable workflows. An AI can now summarize a legal contract, draft production-ready code, or analyze medical records, all while maintaining a perfect trail of its actions for compliance. This isn't a niche anymore. 65% of organizations are already using generative AI regularly, and it's expected to add up to $4.4 trillion in value to the global economy every year. So, where do humans fit in? This isn't about us being replaced. It's about collaboration. The next big trend is human-AI collaboration tools. AI is becoming a true teammate. It's co-creating with us. The best results don't come from just humans or just AI, but from the synergy between them. We provide the judgment, the creativity, and the oversight, while the AI handles the scale, the speed, and the repetitive tasks. And the craziest part? You won't even need to be a coding genius to be a part of this. Low-code and no-code platforms are exploding. Gartner predicts that by 2026, 80% of technology products will be built by people who aren't IT professionals. You'll be able to describe what you want in plain English, and an AI will handle the coding, testing, and optimization. It's the democratization of development. But it gets even wilder. We're talking about spatial computing becoming the norm. Architects and clients will walk through full-scale virtual buildings before a single brick is laid. Surgeons will practice complex procedures in a perfect digital replica of an operating room. And robotics is taking a huge leap forward. Forget robots in cages. We're getting cobots that work safely side by side with people on assembly lines. We're even seeing the rise of swarm robotics, where hundreds of small, simple robots coordinate like a hive mind to perform complex tasks, like monitoring wildlife in Africa or scanning inventory in a massive warehouse. The World Economic Forum projects that 23% of current jobs will be disrupted by 2027. But at the same time, 69 million new tech-focused jobs will be created. The demand is shifting. Companies are desperate for people who can bridge the gap between technology, ethics, and business goals. And the salaries for these new roles are mind-blowing. An AI governance lead, someone who ensures AI is used ethically and responsibly, is looking at an average salary of $141,000. An AI engineer, the person who actually builds these systems, starts around $101,000. But a senior AI engineer? We're talking $223,000. An AI software engineer is pulling in $211,000, Even a cybersecurity analyst who uses AI to defend against attacks can make $215,000. The path forward is about adapting. The pace is faster than anything we've ever seen, but the opportunity is immense. The future belongs to those who can pair human judgment with machine intelligence. It's not just about learning to use the tools, it's about understanding how to apply them to solve real-world problems. This is the next phase of digital growth, and it's happening right now.